everybody. Today I want to talk to you about all the different ways that you can get a file path on a Mac. On a Mac there are several ways to get a file path, but none of them are really that easy to get. In Windows you usually get the path right at the top bar, but not on a Mac. On a Mac you have to do things like this. Right click on a folder, go to Get Info, then you can copy the path right here. And if you copy this path into a notepad like so, and I just copy it from here and then go to something like TextMate, I can simply paste it, or I can go to a tool like the terminal, like so, and I can drag this folder to the terminal, and I'll get the path, then I can copy it, or I can right click again, hit Option, and then copy the file name as path name, and then I can paste it again. All these methods take several steps, but I say to you, why use those steps when you can use automation to make it even more simple? All you need is a simple AppleScript, and here's an AppleScript that I have for you, and I will paste it in the description of this video. I'll post a link to where you can copy it yourself, and then I can use Keyboard Maestro and hit caps lock K and create, and here is the macro that I've created. I'll just show you how I made it. There's only one action that you need. So let's take a look, and in edit, and then what you would do to get this action is hit new action. You wouldn't have anything here, of course. And then you would type execute for execute an AppleScript, and here's an AppleScript, and you would get this dialog box where you can either type, or sorry, not type, but paste the script in here from here, or you can select the file path by changing this to where you've kept the script on your machine. That's all you need to create, and then of course you hit edit to close it, edit again to close it. But I'm going to remove this action because I don't need it, and then I'm going to close it again. Now we're going to see how this macro works. So let's say I want the path name to this folder here. You hit the folder and open it, and then you would hit, for me anyway, you can set your trigger to whatever you want, but for me it's Option P. Option P will give you the path name in a message display box, and then you can just hit OK if all you wanted to do was view it, or you can hit clipboard and it will be copied to your clipboard so that you can paste it anywhere. I can hit clipboard right now. The dialog box will go away, and I can, again, if I were to erase these two paths right here, which are to the same thing. No, actually one was to a desktop. And then simply hit Command V to paste, and I get the path to the file we see behind this notepad. And so that's it, guys. That's your quick automation to get a file path super quick with a super simple Keyboard Maestro macro and a little AppleScript. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tell me if this small automation was useful to you, and what other types of automations you'd like to see. Alright guys, I'll see you all in the next video.